Aloha and welcome back, families and friends, to my channel. I am going to make one of our favorite ice cream, the New Zealand orange choc chip flavor ice cream. Let's start cooking. I am using the following ingredients: fresh oranges, thickened cream, condensed milk, red and yellow food coloring, and chocolate chips. We'll start by cutting our oranges. Let's put them aside for now and we'll start squeezing them. Don't throw these oranges, skin or leftover. Don't throw them out. We can keep them and make some jam out of it. So make a good use and do something else with it. They're quite sweet, these oranges, in season at the moment. Navel oranges, very sweet. So I want to take advantage of those leftover skin and use it to make marmalade jam. Okay, so that's our squeeze orange juice. We squeezed it from the oranges, and I am keeping these, as I mentioned earlier on, to make some jam out of it or something else, maybe a drink or tea. I'll just boil it and make a tea out of it, orange tea. Okay, and let me strain the orange juice. Make sure I take out extra chunky bits and pieces of the oranges, and then I'll put it back in the jug. So what I have is about 200 mils of the fresh squeezed orange juice, and that will become a flavor for our ice cream. You could use the orange essence. I don't have any available. I couldn't find it at my local supermarket, but I'm just going to go with the fresh orange juice. It's just as good as the essence. I will then add my condensed milk and mix it together with the orange juice. Okay, take out everything and just give it a good stir, and we are mixing this. Now there's a reason why you do this in the beginning, is that you don't want to add the acid orange juice straight away with the cream. It will, what's the term? I forgot what it's called. I will come back with a proper explanation, but it will make the cream fall apart, if that's the right way of explaining. But I'll come back to you. Please bear with me. English is my second language, so if I say something that doesn't make sense to you, I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. But I will come back with the right explanation of why we do this process first. So mix that well. Okay, that is it. Put it aside for now, and we'll move on to our cream. So I'm adding cream to the bowl, my mixing bowl, and let's go ahead and Beat it for 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and add our condensed and orange juice mixture to the bowl. And we'll continue mixing now. Okay, right now I'm going to add my coloring. I don't have orange food coloring, so I'm just mixing yellow and red to make our orange color. So just start with a few drops first, so you don't have too much red or too much yellow. And start with that first. So I've added red. And yellow. Okay, and then we'll keep going. I think I could go darker than that. So I'm adding another drop of yellow. That was a big drop. And a drop of red. And I think that should do it. Now, these are our favorite flavor ice creams from New Zealand. Our orange choc chip or banana is our other favorite. So hopefully I'll be able to make that flavor later on. But they're quite expensive now. Since COVID, prices have gone up, and it's about $9, almost $10 at some specific shops for 2 liters, just for 2 liters. So I don't know if that's cheap, but to me it has gone up in prices. So we try and do our own ice cream. I am doing one for my family, so I thought I'll show you. It's still winter time here in Melbourne, but to some parts of the world, still summertime. Hopefully you can try this recipe. Okay, let's continue on. Okay, that is it. We are ready to add the rest of the ingredients. So you keep beating your cream and the orange and condensed milk mixed together, adding your food color to get your orange color to your preference, and then keep beating until you get those soft peaks. I will show you. See how I move it around, and you get those soft peaks. So that is the consistency I'm after. Now I'll also explain why I add more orange juice. Doing that will break down the creaminess from the condensed milk and the cream added together. For those who have made ice creams before, it can get really, creamy. So that's the reason why I'm adding, that's my reasons why I add more orange juice. Not only it gives orange flavor to the ice cream, but it breaks down the creaminess. It will turn out creamy, but it will break down the creaminess of the ice cream a little bit. The extra flavor that we're going to add now to our this is optional. You don't have to do this, but this will give an extra flavoring or orange flavor to the ice cream. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of the orange zest to the ice cream. When I was searching for recipes to make your own orange essence at home, this is what I found. So I am doing that, just adding a little bit of that orange zest to the ice cream will give you an extra flavor. Then again, it's optional, you don't have to do it. Okay, that is it. Let's give it a good stir. This is my bowl that I'm going to use. I'm going to transfer the mix into this container. So you get a fair bit, pretty much more than 2 liters worth of ice cream if you do it at home, I think. Or is it exact 2 liters? Smoothen out a bit, and then let's go ahead and add our chocolate chips. So sprinkle them around the ice cream. Okay, give it a stir so those can sink in, because you're going to add more. Maybe some for the corner. Give it one more bang. Get out any air from that. The more the better. That is it. So we are going to put it in the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours. I'll put my lid on and then I'll put it in the freezer. And it should be ready to enjoy within 6 to 8 hours. Okay everyone, here's our ice cream. I made some last night, so here it is. I'm going to taste it while we wait for our other one to be ready within 6 to 8 hours. I'm just eating that chocolate chip. I'm happy with the end results. I can taste the orange from all that orange juice and a little bit of the orange zest that I added for the extra flavoring. Well, if you are a fan of these favorite New Zealand ice cream flavors, orange choc chip, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for tuning in and for cooking with Mills. Thank you for your support to the channel always. We appreciate it. Stay tuned for more recipes, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. and share the videos with your families and friends. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.